What's up, guys? I'm over here at my buddy's interior shop, and I'm having the limo bus get some new interior in it, so it's a little more comfortable to drive around. And I wanted to show you guys the difference of just putting some sound panels in there, right? So you'll see on that side, there's no sound deadening. On this side, I did some sound deadening. You'll see some people just get berserko with it and put it over every square inch, but really the factory just put strips in there. And if you just do large parts of the flat metal, it won't make quite a difference. So here's this. That's one that's been sound deadened. That's one that hasn't. So we got this. I'll show you the other side that I put just those panels on the inserts. So the purpose behind it is to stop the resonance of the metal. It's when it vibrates and creates noise. So it's not, you can put it all over everything, but there's unnecessary weight added to your vehicle, and it's not going to make that big of a difference once you calculate all the road noise and all that stuff that you'll get in your car. But anyway, that's it, guys. Working on the old, we'll show you, if you guys are going to be out at the show, out at the ID Buzz thing, or even Octo, I'll be out there with the limo bus, just getting you guys checking it out. Later. All right, guys, so I just kicked it most of the day, and I got a bunch of this work done, wrapped up in here as far as soundproofing. Used all the scrap pieces that I had for filler. Some guys go inch to inch. I'm not that dude, you know. There's no need, it's unnecessary. It's just designed to take up the resonance on the panel. So anyway, all right, we'll see you when it's done. Later.